Hey guys, James the Chart guys. It is Wednesday, August 30th, going to be my nightly video on gold. So gold has an inside daily candle formed right here after losing the upper Bollinger Band here. And so a bull break would be above 13.1930, and then a bear break would be below 13.1010. And as far as the 4-hour chart, I'm watching the 4-hour chart right now. What we have is multiple candles here on the 4-hour chart. So we have this mother candle here, high at 13.1930, the low at 13.1010, and then we have an inside candle, and then we have another inside candle, and still have an inside candle so far on this 4-hour candle, and it's forming right at that 20 MA on the 4-hour. And if it loses that 20 MA, I'm expecting further pullback on gold. So especially on inside candle bear break, multiple inside candle bear break, I'm going to look for further pullback. If we do get a bull break, I'd really like to get above this candle high here with this upper wick here at 13.1930. Confirm that the bull break on this 4-hour chart. So that's what I'm watching for on gold as far as gold goes. What's interesting right now is that gold has a weekly inside candle breaking bullish here. We're rejecting at the upper Bollinger Band here, which is currently at, let me see if I can read it, 13.1570. And on the flip side, we also have the US dollar Japanese yen drawings. We have the US dollar Japanese yen with a bull break on a inside weekly and defending the lower Bollinger Band. So going to be very interesting. And for the bulls here on the US dollar Japanese yen, want really a break above this upper wick candle here at 110.94. So that's the next resistance to watch for. Lines up very closely with the 20 MA on the weekly, which is at 111.06. So some things to keep your eyes on is which one is going to hold that weekly inside bull break, gold or the US dollar Japanese yen. Dollar having a decent bounce. Dollar having a decent bounce here. We lost this support line here by a smudge last week, and like bulls are trying to buy this dip and get back above it. We are right at the last MA here, the 200 MA. The 200 MA on the weekly on the US dollar is at 92.58. So something to watch here. We do have a potential bullish reversal candlestick, but we need a green following week to confirm. You can see we had one here, didn't confirm, and had further downside. So we need to wait for that to play out on the weekly. We do have a oversold bounce going on right now. Clearly oversold. The RSI and the US dollar on the weekly hasn't hit those levels in quite some time. Back here, slightly hit it here, and you can see that it did have some nice bounces with the weekly so oversold in the past. So something to keep your eyes on to see what happens with this inside weekly gold and the US dollar Japanese yen having weekly insides. So again, watching that gold 4-hour chart with the multiple insides is give me at least a short-term direction overnight and into tomorrow, and then watching the daily inside candle that it has on the daily. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.